Welcome back, children. Today we will start EVS chapter 5 Wonderful World of Bolu. You can see on page number 37 of your EVS textbook. Friends, come on. This is Bolu. Bolu has gone for a walk by a pond today. Let us too go along with him for a walk and get to know something new. So, in this chapter, there is a boy whose name is Bolu, and he has gone for a walk to a pond, by a pond. And with him, we will also go and we will know something new which he is also trying to know. You can see in the picture that Bolu is standing near a pond and he is having a conversation with fish. So Bolu says to fish, "Wow, what a beautiful fish is this. Oh, Mintu fish, please come and play with me." So children, you can see here that Bolu has named the fish also, and the name of the fish is Mintu, and he is requesting fish to come out and play with him. Now children, what does the fish says? "No, I cannot come out there. You come into the water to play with me." Then Bolu says, "I cannot come into water." Then again fish says, "I cannot come out of water." Children, I know you all might have learned this poem in your pre-primary. मछली जल की है रानी, जीवन उसका है पानी, हाथ लगाओ के तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे तो मर जाएगी. So children, by this rhyme you can understand that why Mintu fish doesn't want to come out from water, because it knows that when it come out from water it will die. So what does the fish say to Bolu? "I cannot breathe on land." Then Bolu says, "Likewise, I cannot respire in water." Then again Mintu fish says that Bolu, one has its own place of living. So children, by this you can understand that everybody has their own place of living. So children, you have seen that fishes live in water. Other than fish, there are some animals which live in water. There are some animals which live on land as well as water. There are some animals which live on land. There are some animals which fly in sky. There are some animals which live on trees. Children, in this chapter we will learn about animals and their living places. And today in this video we will learn about aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are the animals which live in water. There is a vast variety of aquatic creatures with unique characteristics. They are found either in salt water like ocean or in fresh water like rivers, lakes and ponds. Children, aquatic animals have different respiratory systems that helps them to breathe inside water. But most aquatic animals breathe through gills except whales and dolphins, which breathe through lungs. Children, most aquatic animals have fins or paddles that help them to swim. They have streamlined body which makes them easy to live in water. So children, this was all about aquatic animals. I will meet you in my next video with some more types of animals living at different places. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.